translocating active ingredient. What the heck is he talking about? Stay tuned, guys. You're going to want to know all about this product. Welcome back to the channel, guys. Craig here, howtopest.com. If you love everything pest control, then you are in the right place. This is where we tell you the best pest control products out there, in our opinion, and how to use them, and the best one for your situation. So what am I talking about when I talk about a translocating active ingredient? I'm talking hydroprene. If I pronounce that right, forgive me, but that is the active ingredient in a product known as Gentrol Point Source. This right here, guys, is Gentrol Point Source. If you have not heard about this product, you're going to hear about it today, and you're going to want this in your arsenal, especially if you are going after those hard to deal with German cockroaches. Let's talk about kitchens, because that's where I'm at, guys. You go out to your job, and you pros out there know that you typically hit this with a non-repellent bait. And then, if you're smart, you'll add in a Gentrol or some type of IGR. And the reason you're doing that is because you've put down a chemical that's going to kill them, that non-repellent, that they're just going to go over and take back to the nest and groom each other, but you're going to put an IGR in there. And the IGR is going to eventually stop those roaches, excuse me, and other insects out there from reproducing, therefore stopping that cycle of the roaches or whatever that pest that you're going after. That's what the IGR does. And that's exactly what Gentrol has brought you in Gentrol Point Source. So they've given you the Gentrol concentrate, but now they're giving it to you in those hard to reach places, because you know that those roaches, they tuck in those deep, dark crevices. And especially if it's a female that's not feeding as much, they may not come out and go over where you've treated, whether it be with a pesticide or the Gentrol IGR or a bait. They're just not going after it. This is going to cover your butt. CYA, Gentrol Point Source. So what is it, guys? So far, I've told you a little bit about it, but here's what they look like. This is the box they come in. They come 20 to a box. You're not going to need 20 as a homeowner, guys, unless you have a mega mansion kitchen with a plethora infestation of German cockroaches out there. One of these right here, one of these Gentrol Point Sources covers 75 square feet. So how big is 75 square feet? It's a 7.5 by 10-foot room. So a small bedroom. That's how much one of these will cover. So if you had a small kitchen like this, one of these is probably going to cover this area. But now if I'm putting these in cupboards, I'm probably going to get them in the areas that I have. So I may have 2 or 3 of these in a kitchen this size, just depending on where I'm putting these. So where do you put them? Well, you put them in cupboards. Let's say a cupboard up here. You stick one right here. Maybe you put it on the ground back in the back. It doesn't matter with the Gentrol Point Source. That's another great thing about these. They can be placed at any angle. They can be placed up on a ceiling. They can be placed down just laying on the floor. They can be placed on the side of the wall with the adhesive. When you get the box, they are only sold in a 20 Gentrol Point Source box. They come with the little adhesives. You take one adhesive, you stick it to the back, bam. You mark the date on the back of this thing, and then you know when you need to replace these. How often do you need to replace them? Kind of getting ahead. We were talking about where to put them, but one of these lasts 90 days. 90 days out of one of these bad boys. That's going to give you a residual and penetrate those areas that your chemicals and your baits are not getting to. So now you've covered all your bases, guys. There's no like, well, what if they're here? It doesn't matter. Gentrol Point Source, it's going to get to them. They can't reproduce. They're going to die off. That's just what happens. Now, if you have a cupboard like this down below, same thing, man. You're going to put one of these bad boys stuck to the door, mark the date on it, shut it, and you're good to go. It's going to go back and penetrate those cracks and crevices. If you can get it behind a stove, awesome place to put it. Behind a refrigerator, like right here, another awesome place to put this. Kind of out of sight, out of mind. Now let's talk real quick about pantry pests, because this will work fantastic on pantry pests. But remember, with pantry pests, one of the main things is getting rid of the source. So if you have a contaminated grain, a contaminated rice, a cereal, I've even seen it in peanut brittle that was given away for the holidays and people forgot about it and they end up getting Indian meal moss in there. You need to discard that, throw it away, put it in the trash. So you're really going to have to go through your pantry. And the best way to do it is one by one, goes out, put it on the table or the counter, inspect it, cupboard's cleaned out. If you need to put a little residual spray in there somewhere, that's fine. If you need a space spray to knock down those adults that are in there flying around, go over to howtopest.com, get yourself a can of CB80. It's a space spray. It'll knock them down fast. Got your residual spray down on the ground. Bust yourself one of these into your pantry. One of these should cover a pantry, unless your pantry is huge. Maybe you need two. Stick it to the wall, lay it on the shelf, whatever, and let it go to town. 90 days later, if need be, replace it. If not, take it out, throw it in the trash. You're good to go. How do you use these? Okay, I'm going to show you right now. Do you see this right here? This is the front, this little like tunnel system. You're going to take your finger and put it about in the middle of that. Your thumb's on the back. We're not going to activate this one, but this is what you do. You just press down really hard, squeeze your fingers together. You're going to hear a pop, a snap, however you want to call it. You're just going to hear this pop or snap, and you're good to go. This thing will activate, go through, and like I said, it doesn't matter which way you place this thing. You can put it any way you want to place it. Now, will it kill other bugs? We talked about that, those pantry pests, but typically this is going to be for your German roaches and your pantry pests. That's about it. It will wipe out some other bugs, IGR-wise, but that's not what you're buying this for. They're indoor use. You're not going to slap them outside. I told you get 90 days out of these things. But Gentrol Point Source is just a fantastic product. There was a while where I was doing German roach jobs and somebody turned me on to these many years ago. And I was like, what's that all about? And they explained to me what I'm explaining to you. And I thought, oh man, every job I do now, I put it out because I know something's going to continue to work. And if I've missed an area, this bad boy is going to take care of it for me. And it keeps me and especially my customers happy. And then they don't fire me and go with somebody else, guys. So I love Gentrol Point Source. Go over to howtopest, grab yourself a case of this. If you're a homeowner, like I said, there's 20 in a box here. It's going to last you a long time. Remember, 75 square feet is what you're getting out of these. 90-day residual. It's an IGR, and it penetrates those deep, dark crevices, guys. Thank you for the thumbs up. Hopefully this gave you another option to add to your arsenal or turned you on to a product you never heard of. Grab it over at howtopest.com. If there's any other questions that I can answer for you, I'm happy to do that. Thank you for subscribing. If you haven't subscribed, guys, hit that subscribe button down below. These videos come out multiple times a week, and we just appreciate that from you guys. You keep us going. Craig here again, howtopest.com. Have a fantastic day, guys.